just wanna dance and feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is good, everyone is great. By the way, today is very cold. I am not sure, it's January. I know we're still in winter, but I'm wondering why so cold? Anyway, that's beside the point. I'm happy to see you again for another video, and in this one it's a little fun. It's a little, you know, all, let's just say we have our adulting together. All right, in this video I'll actually be unboxing this they say good things come in small packages. This is what they're talking about when they say that. So in this box I have some new skincare products that I wanted to, you know, unbox and go through with you guys. So yeah, as I said, you know, it's 2020 and usually I'm not a new year, new me kind of person, but this year I'm really feeling, you know, I'm really feeling like I need to change my life, change my way. There's a lot of things that I am, you know, just looking and self-reflecting, and there are a lot of things that I want to change. So like, why not change it? Now is the time, right? And one of those things is skincare. All right, I've had very good skin. My skin has been treating me well since, because I mean, in my culture, I only know about Jamaicans and so on, and I know that, you know, when you're in the teenage years of life, there are a lot of like breakout, acne, and all of that stuff. I have been blessed to not have to deal with that. I have never had teenage bumps. I mean, sometimes little pimples are, well, not even pimples, but little reactions come up on my skin, but I think that's just my skin reacting to different makeup products that I use or so. So I've never really had a deep problem with my skin, but you know, I as I grow, as I get older, and as I am experiencing and looking at, you know, influencers, there are a few things that I would want to do new, let's just put it that way, in terms of moisturizing, you know, dealing with under eye, dark circles and so on, glowy kind of thing. So yeah, I decided that, you know, this year I really want to start a skincare routine and see how it works for me, especially because of late I am really seeing puffiness under my eyes and I hate it. So if I had to say I hate something right now about my skin, it would be the puffiness under my eyes. Like, I'm too young for eye bags, like too young. So I want to get rid of them, and that was a very, very strong motivation in me getting these products. And these, I still have stuff on their way to me. These are just the stuff from IHERB that I got. I still have some moisturizers to come in, and of course I have not gotten the eye cream yet as well. So just a few, but I still want to share with you guys. All right, so I mean, this intro has been very long, but let's jump into opening this box. Yeah, so I recently found IHERB, and it was mentioned to me by one of my friends here. They're basically a brand that sells organic stuff. Like, I know them in Japan, but I've only associated them with like supplements and pills and, you know, dietary stuff. But I didn't know that they sell beauty products, skincare products, and all of that stuff. So that was very interesting to find out. And they have most of the stuff that I would normally buy or search for on Amazon US, and having this in Japan where I can get goods in 3 days or 5 days instead of 2 weeks is very good. So I decided to try them. All right, so let's jump into this box, and yeah. All right, So the first item that my hand caught is this face mist, and it says it tones and moisturizes skin, and it is made with aloe vera and witch hazel. Right? So beautify, tone, and refresh your skin by mild with beautify, tone, and refresh your skin with Mild by Nature. That's the company that made this product. Face mist made with American witch hazel, aloe vera, and grapefruit. This soothing toner helps smooth skin while replenishing essential moisture for soft, healthy looking skin. So yeah, as we know, aloe vera is very good for our skin, and of course witch hazel helps to prevent inflammation and all that stuff. And this is just a mist. You can mist it like over your makeup, under your makeup, or just on your face to give your face a nice toned color and moisture, especially in this winter drying time. Yeah, so this is our first product. Alright guys, up close and personal to tell you that if you want any of these products that I am talking about in this video, the links to all of them will be in the description box, and using the links you'll get 5% off your order. Okay, I'll repeat that one more time. If you are interested in buying any of the products that I am listing in this video, the links to all of them will be in the description box below, and you will get 5% off, okay, on checkout. Next is the Pixie Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's a bit flary. I am seeing flary. I am not sure how this will reflect. Y'all know my camera situation already. But yeah, it's basically a glow mist, and you spray it on your face for a nice dewy, glowy kind of look. So especially for those days when I am not wearing makeup, like I don't wear makeup on a regular day-to-day basis while I'm going to work, and so a nice dewy, you know, complexion or look would be nice instead of a drying ugly skin. So yeah, I think this will help. I do hope that, you know, it works. And it has aloe vera in it, fruit extract, and propolis, just like the other one. Yeah, and it says it's an all-over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion. Yes, darling, any day. All right, my scissors need to go to the back. All right, next up we have a avocado and oatmeal clay mask. Oh, this is the trick. I found it. Yes, I just need to shed the light like this a little. So yeah, guys, a clay mask. I am a lover of masks. And I mostly use charcoal masks. I'll insert a picture of my husband actually going into my stuff and trying my charcoal mask for the first time. He said he'll never do it again because the peeling is ridiculously painful. But yeah, I'm a lover of pain masks. I love to exfoliate because, you know, dead skin cells on dead skin cells, so not good for your skin. So I decided I wanted to try a clay mask separate from the charcoal mask, and so this one had good reviews on IHERB.com or IHERBJapan.com, and I decided that I'm gonna try it. All right, so that's our third product. Our fourth product is, and of course, I could not leave out a charcoal face mask. So this one is polishing charcoal plus black sugar gel plus scrub. So this is actually an exfoliating scrub. Let me just read a little more. It's for all skin types, and it instantly detoxes pores plus exfoliates for smooth skin. So it's a dual mask kind of thing. It detoxes your pores, you know, get all the gunk out of it, the sweat and the this and the that out of it, and it also exfoliates by, you know, taking off the dead skin cells. So it's 2-in-1. And the avocado says it instantly deep cleans plus nourishes for fresh skin. So this one does not exfoliate. And guys, even if you're not a skincare junkie, exfoliation is very much needed in anyone's skin routine. It is very important that we get the dead skin cells off our skin. That's how our face stay looking fresh, and even our bodies, because I do dry brush to exfoliate like my entire body, but that's a whole other story and video. So yeah, oh my god, that dog next door, I swear he doesn't stop barking, and it's because he see a lady. Let me snap out of it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for the 2 masks, and this is for normal to combination skin. So normal and a combination of oily and dry skin. All right, so our fifth item is the elf lip. Let me just close this door. My window is open, so maybe it will sound, less distracting. So our 5th item is elf lip exfoliator in coconut flavor. As I said before with the face mask, exfoliating is very, very important for all parts of your body, including your lips. That dry, dead skin that we're always experiencing. Well, not always, but you know what I mean. Sometimes you have, especially right here, always have a little piece of I always have a little piece of flesh hanging off right here. That's dead skin. Okay guys, when your lips are dry, or sometimes you put on like lip balm and and it feels a little grainy, dead skin. We need to get those off. Okay, so lip exfoliator helps with that, and this is what it looks like. All right, and basically you just, let me see, directions: apply to clean damp lips and massage in a circular motion to exfoliate. Use a moistened cotton pad with water and gently wipe away scrub. Follow with a lip balm or gloss to condition. So very easy, very simple, quick exfoliation, and we're good to go. All right, our 6th item is actually another product from Pixie, and this is the Hydrating Milky Mist, and it does look milky based on what I'm seeing. And this is made with Adam, what's this word? Hyaluronic. Oh, I figured it out. Hyaluronic acid and oats acid. Oh, this is Spanish. Oh wow. Okay, so it's hyaluronic acid and oat, what we call oats. All right, so yeah, and this is basically a moisturizer. There you go. Can you see? I don't know. Guys, I am not sure if you're seeing, and that is why I'm doing this for so long, because based on what I'm seeing, you're not seeing it because there is a line. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So if you need a little moisture during the day, during the night, then you just mist this over your face for extra hydration and moisturizer. I have not decided exactly how I'm going to incorporate this into a skin routine, because as I said, I've never really had a skin routine before. I'm just trying to formulate one this year, and so I'm getting these products. And I actually bought a lot of moisturizing and hydrating products because I have extremely dry skin, like extremely. I could moisturize now, and in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour, my skin is as if I can't with it. So I have actually bought a lot of hydrating and moisturizing stuff from IHERB. So yes, that's our 6th item, and well, this is our second to last item. our seventh item from the box is this face hydrating toner. Yeah, face hydrating toner, and it's from Everyone. The brand is Everyone, and it says it gently refreshes plus restores balance, promotes a healthy glow, and it is made with pure rose hydrosol, what we call rose water, neroli oil, and hyaluronic acid. I swear I cannot pronounce these big words. I always turn to Adam, but he's busy doing something else right now. Maybe I should have let him prep me before, but I have problem with big words. So yeah, and hydrochloric acid, or whatever the H word acid that they're talking about here, hyaluronic acid, is very good for your skin. So yeah, this is another toner, hydrator, and moisturizer in one. As I said before, I have very dry skin, and I bought a lot of moisturizing products. And the direction is that you spray freely on your face and neck, and you should use this after cleansing. So after washing your face, after doing your scrub, and you're getting, ready or so on. It can also go under your makeup, right? Spritz as often as needed, and follow with Everyone moisturizer. Well, they have a moisturizer in their brand. Of course, they're promoting that you use this alongside their moisturizer, but you can use this and whatever moisturizer that you choose to use. So yes, this one. And while I was brainstorming where in the routine I'll put this, I think I'm going to do this at nighttime, but we'll see. And our last but not least product, very wrapped because it's soap. You just grab the scissors. Okay, anytime now, girl. All right, and our last product is actually this Alafia face cleanser with papaya and neem for balanced, youthful skin, and it can be used on all skin types. It is also made with authentic coconut oil. So this is a face wash, a face cleansing wash. That's what it looks like. And basically this will be my go-to face wash for very deep cleansing. Yeah, let me see what they say here. The Alafia's face cleanser with ethically traded virgin coconut oil gently cleanses while maintaining your skin's moisture level. It removes eye makeup, impurities, and environmental pollutants, leaving skin smooth and fresh for everyday use on all skin types. Alright, and you already know how to use a face wash. You wash your face, you dry it. So yeah, I mean, a face wash that can remove makeup, so I don't have to remove my makeup and then wash my face, is very good. But I'll probably, if I'm wearing heavy makeup, then yeah, sorry about that. If I'm wearing heavy makeup, then I'll probably do a double cleanse, or I'll probably still remove my makeup with my makeup remover, of course. But this, I think, is a good product. Plus it has papaya in it, it has coconut oil in it, and as I said, my skin is very dry, so I mean, something as rich as coconut oil must be very intense. Coconut oil and neem. I'm not sure what neem is, but if it's in a face wash, I'm assuming it's very good for your skin, and I am of course going to look up the benefits of this. Plus papaya, I mean, I love papaya as a fruit, so just imagine, So yeah, these are sadly all the products from our IHERB box, and the products that are really missing that I bought on Amazon Japan, and I will definitely link all these products in the description below. I mean, they are on iHerb.com all across the globe. So I shopped on iHerb Japan, but these products are available on iHerb.com, so you can purchase them. Hallelujah! I can give you guys links to products. Amen. All right, so I'll link all of these stuff down below and the others that I'm going to mention now that I got from Amazon US. And basically it's a moisturizing cream from CeraVe. I'm not sure how they pronounce, if it's CeraVe or you know, but yeah, in my skincare routine, I'll actually wait to get them before I actually start doing the skincare routine, and I'll do it for at least, you know, maybe 2 or 3 weeks before I actually film the whole skincare routine, just to get used to it a bit. And so in that routine, I'll actually show you these products that I'm mentioning now. But it's a CeraVe moisturizing cream, intensive moisturizing cream for the body, because as I said, my skin is dry, and no matter what lotion I use, I mean, in Japan it's very difficult because Japanese moisturizers are water-based, you understand? So I don't know, it's moisturizing but it's water-based, so my skin still looks dry even though it's moisturized beneath the layer, and the moisture is just not showing on top of my skin, you understand? I've tried Jergens, Jamaicans, you know, Jergens lotion, right? And I mean, when I was living in Jamaica, Jergens was always a go-to lotion for me, and it did my skin well. And no, it's not. So, you know, I'm using a Jergens right now, and I'm telling you, I moisturize at night before I go to bed, and I wake up dry. And maybe it's the AC, I don't know, but I'll see with this new intensive moisturizing cream. Yeah, and then I have an eye cream coming up for the dark circles and the puffiness under my eye, also from CeraVe, because even though there are many products out there, I still want to stick to a particular line, because you know, brands always say use this alongside this in their same line. So I don't want to be using eye cream from here, so moisturizer from there, so spray from there, so you understand? So as you can see, the scrubs are from the same brand, and you know, these mists are from the same brand. I try to keep things together most times. So yeah, the eye cream, and I also bought, what else did I buy? Wait, I'm gonna get that blue book, all right? Give me a second. All right, so I have the night cream to come in from CeraVe, as I said. Oh, I didn't mention the night cream. I mentioned the body moisturizer and the eye cream. And I'm also going to have bought a night cream. So night cream is basically moisturizer for nighttime specifically. You know, when you sleep, your skin drags, you have fine lines, your skin gets saggy and all that stuff. Night cream specifically helps with like tightening and overnight moisturizing. You know, as I said that, I remember when I was in college and one of my lecturers come in and she said that, like, she went somewhere and she was trying to sound super Englishy and all that, and she said she went to buy a patty and she was like, can I have a hot potty please? You know, you're supposed to say hot patty, but she's like, a hot potty please. I just did that with night cream. All right, anyway, so night cream, yeah, night cream is very good for overnight moisturizing. And I also ordered an electric face brush. You know, those face brushes that it's electrical and it spins on your face and it can really go down into your pores instead of using your hands, because your hands, even though it's good to get the layer of dirt off your face, it's still not penetrating your pores the way I need my pores to be penetrated. You know, get down in there and take out those stuff. Yeah, so I mean, if you can invest in one of the face brushes, it doesn't have to be electrical. it can just be a face brush. As a matter of fact, I have a face brush now and it's not electrical, just a little brush that I use to wash my face with the soap on it like this, to help with, you know, the fine strokes in the brush kind of help go down in the pores a little bit. The electric one really just takes out the motion of you having to like do this. You just put it on your face and like gently, and it does the job. Yeah, so those are the 3 products that I have left to come in, and then I'll start this skincare routine, and of course I'll share that routine with you. But for now, these are my new skincare. I do hope that this journey will be benefiting to me, and of course I will share how the products work, if they're good, if they're not, and all of that jazz. So yes guys, that's it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button if you want to get notified when a video goes live from yours truly, NATZNIFICENT. Well, it's Nats, but you know. Yeah, so you can hit the bell for future notifications or notifications when a video goes live. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. Alright, so I'll see you in my next one. Have a NATZNIFICENT day. Bye.